Today's the day that crime went fine.
A good start, that was smart.
Let's get victim number 2.
While we whistle, they'll be blue.
I like the look of that one there.
One for our duo, this lovely pair.
I'll knock, you take the sack.
I'll see if I can get in round the back.
If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. Looking through the room, hurrah, nothing to do. Grandchildren came last night. House looked like a bomb site. There was mess everywhere, but I love them too much to care. Yet they helped me tidy up too. First time I've had nothing to do.
Here we go, easy pickings I'm sure.
I'm ready and waiting, knock on the door.
If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check.
Hello? What do you want with me?
I'm from the water board. I'm here to see a water meter. A check is due. With rising prices, it could save you money, and while money is tight, the savings will help you sleep at night.
All right, but can I see your ID card? Please give it to me. There's been trouble in the area, you see.
Yeah, alright, that's okay. But hurry up, I'm only here for today.
I'll close the door and talk no more. Then check the card, that shouldn't be hard. I've got the number by the phone right here, and then I'll have nothing to fear. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check.
What's up? Why's the back door locked?
She's taken my card, I think she's clocked. Where's my card? Give it back here. I need it now or you'll be in tears.
No, I won't. You're not legit. And to stop further crime, I'm keeping it. I'll phone 999 and report this crime. They'll be caught today and in good time. Please come quick. There's a man at my door. I've checked, he's a bogus caller, I'm sure. They're on their way. Okay, that's fine. Yes, of course, I'll stay on the line.
If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. Good job, the back door was locked. It gave the bogus callers a shock. And if I hadn't checked the chain, they could have caused me pain. Look through the spy hole, my very own view. Make sure you see them before they see you. Ask righty, check it's alright. If not, shut the door tight.
Call the police. Report it today. Don't let the criminals get away. Lock, stop, chain, check as they say. Join the chain gang, keep the criminals at bay.
If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check. If in doubt, keep them out. Lock, stop, chain, check. Close the door if you're unsure. Lock, stop, chain, check.